is the author of 5 children's songbooks and animator of 1 cartoon. She has shared her reading time performance all around the world, which includes a story, questions, prizes, and a song and dance. Ready to join in on the fun? Here we go!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Okay, I can hear you now. Let's hear Team Red. Team Red! That's the loudest, Mr. Ezekiel.
I'm going to give one to Team Red.
All right! Today, I am going to read a story about writing a letter. Who knows what a letter is? The top right.
The stamp!
The stamp! Great job! Yeah, let's give them a prize. Everybody say yeah!
Yeah!
So first, with a letter, what do? You write your name, who it's from, and your address. And then here, in the center, you write who you're going to write it to.
Your mom and dad.
Maybe you're going to mail it to a family member who lives somewhere else, right? Because you live with your
Or my
parents.
grandma.
And then you put a stamp at the right. Everybody say, a stamp.
A stamp.
Great job. Right, so this story is called, Do You Like Me? Check yes or no.
Yes.
Tick tock, 8 o'clock. It was time to go to bed. Mom gave me a kiss and then she tucked me in. You guys see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is she sitting inside of?
A bed.
A bed. Great job. And what is this right here?
A window.
A window. You guys are so smart. And curtains. Great job. Okay, let's go to the next page.
Doggy. A dog.
Mr. Wiggles, my puppy, kept scratching at the door. He is usually lazy and is a bit of a bore. What's this?
Dog.
Okay, and what's his name? Mr. Wiggles. Say Mr. Wiggles.
Mr. Wiggles.
Okay, who's going to be louder? Let's hear the red side. Say Mr. Wiggles.
Mr.
Good
Wiggles.
job. Let's hear this blue side. Say Mr. Wiggles. 1, 2, 3.
Mr.
Good job. All right. Okay. But it says he's a bit of a bore. He's usually boring. Do you guys know what boring is?
Yeah, like when you're born and you can't do nothing.
Yeah. Who has a pet in here? Who has an animal? You all have. Who has a dog in here? Raise your hand. Who has a cat? Do you like me? Check yes or no. Show me no. Okay. Or maybe. All right. Ready, set, go. Do you like me? Check yes or no. Do you like me? Check yes, no, or maybe. Do you like me? Check yes or no. Ready? I really, really hope you like me then. All right. Great job. Music stars. You make my knees buck. There we go. Ready? Here's ours. Do you like me? Check yes or no. Do you like me? Check yes, no, or maybe. Do you like me? Check yes or no. Let's twist. Do you like me? Let's see you dance. See you dance. Okay, everybody show me your big heart. Aww.